Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in a very sunny Goring by Sea, down by the coast. I wanted to show you a fantastic man cave finished very recently by us here at Baker's. So this is one of our Kite Predesigned, 6 meters wide and 3.7 meters deep, but it's still customizable. We do stress that. So normally it's got glass all to the front, but because of the interior design, we've got a 700 solid section by the door there on the left. The doors are offset, and then a solid section about a meter to the right there. Before I go inside and show you why this is done like this and the usage of this room, externally, all the things you would imagine: cement board to the left and rear, MTX and anthracite V100 cladding to the front and the right hand side, as that looks out over more of the garden. And then you've got the MTX trim pack as well. Rubber roof under the 2.5 meters. This conforms to all of the rules and regulations within permitted development rights. It's only about half a meter away from the boundaries. Now, this is being used ancillary to the house as the couple's mum and dad have moved in and really just needed a space for them to come and fill some of their stuff from their house and have their own privacy and space. So this was really done for the dad, as you can see. Quite a man cave in here for a gentleman of a few more years than maybe me, but I absolutely love it. There's a couple of reel-to-reels down there. That's absolutely cool. And look at how this is being used. So that solid space at the front was for a desk, little workshop area, a bit of soldering and things like that are done. A bit of repair to a rocking horse here as he picked up. I love all of that. So it's a bit of like a workshop space, but with a load of storage within one of our lined and insulated rooms. Just a lovely way for him to have his own space and enjoy it. Really nice into the sunshine on a day like today, but also warm and all year round use. All the usual things you would expect from us here at Baker's. So the lighting was completed by us, which has got the downlights inside, downlights outside, internet we installed, no TV on the wall in this room, but we do have two fan lights, one in the side there and one actually in the rear on this one, all part of our standard Kite Predesigned options with that extended kind of customizable elements to it, and just a really lovely space. Finished in the V200 inside with the timeless cladding. Just a great space, and I really like this. So say 6 by 3.7, that's a large room, but got loads of space in there. We can even add in a little sofa or a lounger as well if you wanted to. Yeah, so there you go. So ancillary use to the house. No one's staying in this overnight, but it just helps extend the living space into the garden, so you get that privacy and extra space that you need as the family grows, maybe because of teenagers, or if you've got mum and dad's moving in with you. You know, we showed a video recently like this when a full-blown kitchen and lounge was installed in one of these for that exact reason, just to be used as a separate space. So I hope that's of interest to you. Please like, subscribe and share what we're doing. We do appreciate it, and let us know your comments on this really lovely 6 by 3.7 Kite Predesigned that's got that customized front. Thank you.